A candle wax, aka paraffin wax, needs to be melted in a double boiler. Don't stress, you can easily make one. Pan with water and your pot with the wax in the pan. And why, you may ask? The reason is that candle wax is flammable. So this is just a safety precaution. As soon as your wax is melted, pour a little in the glass, like so, and then position the wick in the center. You can use a Sasati stick, works wonders. Whoopsie. Once you've got the chappie in place, you can use this just to keep it centered. Whoopsie. Let that set and you'll end up with something about like that. Like this. Then top it up with more wax, melted wax. 3/4 of the way, and set that aside to cool. About 20 minutes. And then make 2 holes around the wick and allow that to cool a further 10-15 minutes. And then you top up with melted wax and let that cool. It cools really quickly. Your candle will be ready in about 15 minutes. Et voila! You're a genius, you've made a candle.